August 6, 2025, Wednesday, exactly 2:48 midnight. Yes, good morning, Babel. This is your Babe Teen to say I'm sorry with Monday and Tuesday because I'm not watching your Facebook Live. Wanted Forever and Goodnight Philippines 97.1 FM radio station, Barangay LS. But I am still listening your cute and sweet voice with my solar radio, and I am still inside my bed and I cannot go to the market because I am worried you are jealous. Please do not jealous, babe ball, because you're the only one man in my heart, and hopefully God will bless us for our coming wedding. Hopefully it's coming, and sana lagi ka lang andyan sa tabi ko at magdadasal tayo at magtutulungan. Thank you, babe boy. I love you, babe ball.